What's up, AVI? Today we got an interesting video for you guys. We're going to be trying to restore these seats on these Suede / Alcantara. I know a lot of you guys are going to cringe too. We're going to be using sandpaper to try to get rid of these extra fuzzies. You could also use a lint buster, I think they're called. But I've seen a video, I'll put the link in the description below, of a guy doing this too. So his works, so I'm assuming mine can work with 600 grit sandpaper. And yeah, this is lightning restoration series, so let's get to it.
Yeah, here's the lightning, by the way.
If you haven't seen the video, click up there of us buying it. But yeah, let's get to it. So what's going to happen is you're going to want a small piece of sandpaper, I don't know, about the size of your hand, doesn't really matter. Fold it up a few times, 600 grit again, wet or dry. And you're going to want to try to go like this way to get it up. Just try to get all some of this fuzzy stuff up. So I have a hole right here, so I'll try to avoid that hole. But all of this fuzzy pieces we'll want to pull up. And eventually, I'm going to get new seats. So don't worry, if it ruins, I'm going to get them reupholstered anyway, so that's the plan. We'll just see if it works. So let's get to it.
It's working already.
So much better already. So yeah, we're lessening the strength of the material, but just to get
it looking mint again is what we're doing.
Exactly. I'm gonna have to vacuum, but you can see.
Way better. Difference.
You can see we've done this side and we haven't done this. So I guess we can do the rest and
we'll time lapse it.
Yeah, time lapse.
So here's the result after 15 minutes of sanding. You can see here on the left side of the driver's seat, looks pretty nice. You can actually feel the suede difference. This side too. And compared to the other half, which is still pretty fuzzy. And yeah, what a huge difference, night and day.
So here's the final product. We spent about 30 minutes to do both seats using 600 grit sandpaper, not going too rough on it, and it came out really, really nice. So if you want to try this on your Lightning, on your Suede, it should be really easy for you guys. And if you like this video, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and smashing the like button and commenting what your thoughts are on it. And just like that, AVI out.